Hello and welcome. You're with IndiaPostLive.com, India's first live conversation web television. Well, we've started a new show for you every day called Trends Tonic. Basically, we give you a list of all the topics that are trending on social media so that you remain aware of all of it. You don't have to, go back to find out what exactly is happening. It's right here, all in one show. All the corresponding and respective tweets and other social media articles we will have for you right here. Okay, so today the first topic that we're going to bring to you, it's not necessarily in the order because that keeps changing, as you know, on Twitter, but something that has been trending through the day is hashtag curse list. Now, all of you are aware that Censor Board Chief Prahlad Nihalani has issued a list of words which include 30 in English and 15 Hindi words which are banned in the use of films. Now, that has of course created a huge outcry from ordinary people as well as members of the film fraternity. Now, Prahlad Nihalani had this to say. He first says that I do not know how the list came out. We did not release it to the media. We did not even release it to other members of the censor board. Secondly, he goes on to say that these words are banned as per the guidelines provided by the INB ministry. I did not prepare the list on my own. Secondly, he says that my job is to implement guidelines, not formulate them. And if filmmakers want changes, they should approach the INB ministry directly. Abusive words till then remain banned. All right, so these are the very, very scathing comments on Twitter that are doing the rounds. People are very, very upset at some of the words. And of course, hasn't found time to stand up for silly things, somebody says. Does it also apply to our cricketers? Some of them seem to swear a lot. What is the hype about? Oh, BJP involved. All right. So basically, the whole moral policing issue that people are talking about. Remember, 13 English and 15 Hindi words there which are off, which a film cannot use. So of course the whole issue of beeping out words or changing the words and all of that have left a lot of filmmakers very, very angry. We'll have to see what happens now, where how things progress in this. A lot of filmmakers of course use these words because they think that it's real, it's more realistic to bring out certain emotions in those films. All right, next we have something which is not trending so much on Twitter, but it's definitely a huge trend on other social media platforms, especially Facebook. Now, you all remember that the All India Bakchod roast that happened on the 28th of January, if I'm not mistaken. Now, that was taken off YouTube a few days later following a huge outcry. And a lot of stand-up comedians have also gone quiet on the social media because their names have been, come up in FIRs. The complaints have been registered against them. In fact, what was worse or, what was very surprising was that Aamir Khan chose to, speak against the AIB roast. He, in fact, scolded his friends Karan Johar and Arjun Kapoor for participating in it. But what has happened then is that actor turned interior designer Twinkle Khanna has written a wonderful piece about the fact that real issues are being ignored and, issues like All India Bakchod roast are being talked about, whereas real issues like spending crores and crores of rupees on the Shivaji statue and the Sardar Patel statue, this will cost the states thousands of crores. And Twinkle Khanna asks why no one sees the irony in that, considering only 10% of the country's children have the means to study beyond higher secondary. So basically, it also says that AIB roast did make fun of a person's sexuality, but very few people seem to actively and continuously protest the fact that Section 377 continues to be a legal reality in India. So she also says, in fact, ironically, she wrote to the Times of India, but she's also saying that AIB roast is less offensive than Arnab Goswami shouting at people he invites on his show on Times Now. So a lot of positive comments. People absolutely loved it. The fact that a senior member of the industry has chosen to speak like this, because even her own husband Akshay Kumar has been silent on this issue. And she basically, what people are saying is that she has dared to call spade a spade a spade. All right, so these are some of the tweets that you're seeing. Imperative questions, well done. Her hashtag is, of course, Mrs. Funnybones. Worthy battles to fight. And that is the article that she's written for the Times of India. Rational, intelligent and true. Salute, I'm your fan, says Pariniti Chopra. Stellar piece by Mrs. Funnybones, recommended reading for all, especially the pretentious and easily offended. Of course, people have also said that Amir Khan has basically chosen to play with the galleries, chosen to be on the side of the powers that be, whereas Twinkle Khanna has raised real issues. Love her column is what people are saying. All right. Next, another issue that is trending, of course, is Lady Gaga has got engaged. In fact, she herself posted a photograph on Instagram, that huge diamond-shaped ring, and she said, in fact, the guy, of course, is Kine, and she has said that he gave me his heart on Valentine's Day, and I said yes. She has shared the picture of a huge heart-shaped diamond ring via Instagram, and that is how she captioned it. She and her fiancé first met on the sets of the 2011 sets of Gaga's You and I music video, which was shot in Nebraska. And she wore her mother's actual wedding gown in the scenes of the racy video, which starred Chicago Fire hunk Kine as the object of her affection. They started dating several months later, split briefly in May 2012, but got back together the next month itself. Alright, so people there who love Lady Gaga are saying that we love you so much and that they want to cry. All right, quite emotional people out there, and definitely I can say that heart-shaped diamond ring is something to cry for. All right, moving on, the hashtag is New Zealand versus Scotland. New Zealand, in fact, there was a minor scare, but they did manage to defeat Scotland by 3 wickets for their second win of the World Cup of 2015. And the New Zealand are the co-hosts, as you're all aware, and they are 6-time semi-finalists. They justified their position as one of the leading contenders for the trophy with a fine display in the field after winning the toss. Scotland, in fact, they have never won an ODI against the World Cup co-hosts. They are in their 3rd World Cup campaign, yet to win a match in 9 attempts. Scotland was put on the back foot early, with 4 wickets falling within 26 balls of the game. And after it had been asked to bat, the end result was a 3-wicket win for New Zealand after Scotland had been bowled out for 142. Though the chase became a tad tricky, New Zealand was happy at having achieved it in 24.5 overs. So New Zealand has cemented their status as one of the favourites for the World Cup with a dominating 98-run victory over Sri Lanka in the tournament's opening match. So those are the tweets, as you can see. And finally, today is Shivratri. The festival is being celebrated across India. It is a day when there are fasts and special offerings to Lord Shiva, the god of virility. There is water and milk poured on the Shiva Lingam, and Prime Minister Narendra Modi, Delhi Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal have also used the social media platform to send out their best wishes for Shivratri this year. A lot of devotees all over the country are celebrating this festival. Okay, you have devotees there, Lord of nothingness, Lord of darkness. That's Arvind Kejriwal. आप सभी को महाशिवरात्रि की शुभकामनाएं. All right. Now, the Isha Foundation had in fact asked people to send their jig, how they would like to, in a very unique and a very funny way, do the Shiva dance to Shiva Shiva. And they have incorporated all of that into a lovely little video that we are just about to bring for you. We will end the show with that. Thank you so much for watching. If there's anything else you think that should be talked about, please let us know and we will try to incorporate it in our show tomorrow on Trends Tonics. Keep an eye out on all those topics which are trending. If you have anything specific to say about that, please send us your tweets, your video messages. You can of course also participate on the show if you like. So thanks a lot. Take care. We leave you with this awesome video.
Shiva, 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 Shivaya. 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 Shiva, 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 Shiva.